Today I will talk about how to improve your health. The best thing you can do is fasting. This is top of the list. What you eat is more important than that. It is more important than exercise. Why is that? I will tell you in this video. If you look at the survival mechanisms of the human body and look at the biochemistry, the time it took for the body to adapt to save life, food was not available for many days. Due to starvation, the body adjusted itself through hormonal, genetic and psychological changes. No death due to cold. How to save life if a wild animal comes. These are all survival mechanisms that the body adapted with time. Fasting, cryotherapy, cold therapy, exercise. All these things make survival believable. It increases the body's endurance. Some survival genes are triggered in the body. This is happening in every part of the body. Every part of the body is improving. If you compare today with the environment in which we used to live, today food is available in abundance. Open the fridge, go to the market, there is a lot of food. If you notice, there is a variety of food available at a festival or a feast. When you eat all these things, your body goes into shock. You don't feel good. If there is a feast at home, you spend the whole day eating. The first thing you do in fasting is to reduce the frequency of eating. There is a fixed time for eating. You remove snacks. You increase the interval between 2 meals. You don't eat anything else during this time. You can drink black coffee. You can drink herbal coffee without milk and sugar. You can drink lemon water, but don't drink cold drinks, juice or other sweet drinks that have calories and sugar. Similarly, when you are fasting, you should have a longer breakfast. Most people don't feel hungry when they wake up in the morning. Because our body is in fasting state, it is already in adaptive mode. It is trying to stay alive without eating. Hunger starts only when you wake up in the morning and eat something. To keep the body in fasting state, it is better not to have breakfast. Eating all the time, frequent eating, or eating a lot of carbohydrates that have sugar and other health issues. The small beta cells in the pancreas that produce insulin get tired of working. They get exhausted. Because when carbohydrates enter the body, they turn into sugar. Beta cells in the pancreas produce insulin to reduce sugar, so blood sugar is normal. When these cells are constantly working and producing insulin, and insulin is rarely tested, mostly blood sugar level is checked. Initially, you won't be able to see this big risk. 10, 20, 30 years blood sugar will be normal, but insulin will be high in the background. Insulin level is high, and it is rarely tested. With time, the effect of insulin reduces. Blood sugar increases and insulin decreases. Today, you are eating a lot of carbohydrates and sugar is normal. But when you check your fasting insulin level, things become clear. Then slowly insulin production reduces. So the control of insulin on blood sugar becomes loose and it turns into diabetes. Beta cells in the pancreas get so tired and exhausted that they stop working. In some studies, fasting repairs and protects beta cells. It works like a balm and heals beta cells. And one more thing, insulin level is low. This is called insulin sensitivity increase. Fasting increases insulin sensitivity. Insulin resistance decreases. And from here, things start getting better. Now you are controlling your food. Not eating regularly, your stomach is getting rest. But when your body is in fasting state, the system doesn't have to work as hard. Fat burns in the body like ketones. Ketones are fat fuel molecules used as body energy. One of them is beta-hydroxybutyrate. This ketone improves brain function and mood, but it takes time when you fast regularly. Depression decreases. Hormones regulation improves. Stress adaptation increases. In fasting, 1 meal a day is the best approach. You can eat once in 24 hours, but you can eat twice. But 1 meal a day or OMAD in fasting is the best combo. I have talked about it in some videos. 1 meal a day, because if you follow it, you won't be able to intake more calories. It makes a difference. If you eat 3 times a day, you can eat more compared to 1 meal a day. Another benefit of fasting is inflammation, and body functions improve. The body produces antioxidants in normal conditions, endogenous production of antioxidants. But when you fast, the production increases. Antioxidants remove waste from the body. They reduce oxidative stress and toxins from the body. Pollution, junk food, free radical damage in the cells. Antioxidants are essential. Another benefit is gut microbiome. Good gut germs that are part of the immune system increase in number. Good bacteria that the body needs increase. Bad bacteria decrease. Bacteria are diversified. They produce bacteria that don't need much food. This diversity improves the body. In this video, I wanted to talk about the real reason for fasting. What are the benefits? Ramadan is approaching. You can prepare yourself for intermittent fasting. Take care.